Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best Azdome Dash Cam. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Azdome Dash Cam GS63H. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Aperture, f1.8. Display, LCD. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 2880 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 2.45 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 60. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.33 kilograms. Number 4 on our list is Azdome Dash Cam for Cars M560. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Data storage capacity, 64GB, 128GB. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 2880 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 750 grams. Number 3 on our list is Azdome PG17 12" Wi-Fi mirror dash cam. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Aperture, 1.8. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 10 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 on our list is Azdome 4K Dash Cam M550. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX307. Pixels, 800 mega. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 686 grams. Number 1 on our list is Azdome M580 Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Aperture, 1.8. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.43 kilograms.